At Cresco Communications, we understand it can be tricky business planning marketing campaigns to get the right return on investment and to grow your brand. We believe there are a number of fundamental checkpoints you should consider to guarantee success in your marketing campaigns. Cresco Communications is a boutique marketing agency with a wealth of experience across multiple industries. We're proud to provide a suite of marketing services to grow your brand, engage your customer base, and to increase revenue. So how can we help? It's simple, really. Building your brand is a journey. Our key checkpoints will give you a clear path and yield great results. First, you need to understand where you are now and where you will start your marketing journey. We have the tools and experience to show you the way. You'll need to map out your strategy. Which marketing channels will you use? Is a change needed? Once you've established your strategy, planning is the next step. We can analyze your customers and provide advice on the best route forward. Have you thought about your appearance? How do your customers see you? Are you a happy brand? Recent research is indicating being associated with happiness helps build stronger emotional connections between consumers' memory structures and a brand. At the end of the day, talk is cheap. Plans need implementation. We'll work with you to allocate resources and help you complete your marketing projects. And lastly, your campaigns will need to be monitored and reported on so that you maximize your return on investment. How does this help you? It's simple. By implementing key marketing checkpoints, your brand will grow, and so will your conversions. So if you want to make more money from your campaigns, think of us as an extension of your team. Cresco Communications.